let's unwrap these adorable designs from Hadley Designs. So these thank you cards are so cute and so well made. Here is what they look like. So they come, when they come in the package, they come like this. They don't come wrapped, or they do come wrapped. They don't come folded. So they're gonna come like this, wrapped in, you know, the plastic, but it's gonna look like this. So it might be a little bit confusing once you get the package. But it's like that because the cards are not folded. So they're just like this, and then you just fold it down, and there's even a nice little crease line right here, which helps you to fold it easily. You don't have to try and get out your ruler and figure that whole thing out. But it comes with some really cute designs. So this one says Beyond Grateful. Here's another one that says Many Thanks. This one says Thank you so much. And oh, here's another one. Thank you very much. And then, oh, cute. So very grateful. I'm impressed with these cards because they are really well printed and they're just beautiful. So I'm going to try and hold this up and hopefully you can see the quality of the card. But I mean, it is, these are just really, really beautifully printed, and like they feel sturdy. This is on, I bet she printed this on cardstock, which is like a heavier paperweight, and it feels like a really nice card. So these are 4x6 card, or 6x4, 4x6 size, and then it also comes, there's 24 of these in a pack, and it also comes with 24 white envelopes as well. So she also made some other really adorable thank you cards, which are more of like for the lower grades. I mean, like the design is more of like a lower grade. So like it has like the, you know, cute smiley faces and things like that. This looks more cutesy. But these, I would say, if you have a kid that's in like 6th grade or up to, you know, even high school, I would say these are definitely more of their style. They're just less, they're a little bit more, I don't know, they just look a little bit older in my opinion. But if you are looking for some adorable teacher appreciation cards or, you know, things like that, I would definitely check these out because you're getting a good return on your buck right here. So highly recommend.